Application software. Application software, or an app for short, is a program or group of programs designed for end users. Example of an application includes a word processor, a spreadsheet, an accounting application, a web browser, an email client, a media player, a file viewer, simulators, a console game, or a photo editor. The collective noun application refers to all applications collectively. This contrasts with system software, which is mainly involved with running the computer. Applications may be bundled with a computer and its system software, or published separately, and may be coded as proprietary, open source, or university projects. In information technology, an application or an app, a program or application software is a program or a computer program designed to help people perform an activity. So depending on the activity for which was designed, an application can manipulate text, numbers, audio, graphics, and a combination of these elements. Some application packages focus on a single task, such as word processing. Others, called integrated software, include several applications. User-written software suits systems to meet the user-specific needs. A user-written software includes spreadsheet templates, word processor macros, scientific simulations, audio, graphics, and animation scripts. The Universal Windows App. A Universal Windows App was first introduced in Windows 8 as the Windows Runtime, which was built upon the Universal Applications Platform. Now, in Windows 10, the name of the Universal Applications Platform had been changed to Universal Windows Platform, or UWP. You can build modern and fully immersive apps by targeting Windows 10 devices for Windows Store, such as PC, tablet, phone, etc. So this is an example of the Universal Windows Platform. As you can see, UWP can interact with PC, tablet, phone, or Xbox, or even more devices. For our activity number 1, it is called Download 101. So download Visual Studio Code at https code.visualstudio.com. So it's free. You must provide at least 3 screenshots of your download. So copy paste your screenshots to any word processor and save it as activity 1. Indicate the time started of your download and the time it ended. Indicate also your Windows OS version. The characteristics of UWP apps. You can target device families and not OS like Windows 8.1. Second, apps are packaged and distributed using the .appx packaging format, which ensures that your apps can be deployed and updated seamlessly. You can also submit your applications to the Windows Store, and it will make it available on all device families, or only those devices you choose. You can easily manage all your apps for Windows devices in one place. You can limit the availability of your application to the particular device family. So the core of your API of UWP are the same across all Windows device families. So it means that your apps or your app can run on all Windows 10 devices if it uses only the core of API. But with the help of the extension SDKs, you can light up your applications for more purposive devices. So we have development choices. C# or Visual Basic with XAML, which is more feasible, and I advise that you use it. JavaScript with HTML, or C++ with DirectX or XML. For our activity number 2, that is installation 102, you must install your downloaded Visual Studio Code from activity number 1. You must provide at least 3 screenshots of your installation, copy-paste your screenshots to any word processor, and save it as activity 2. You must indicate the time started of your installation and the time it ended. Indicate also your Windows OS version. Ad Astra Sapientiam. Thank you.